It has always been a dream of mine to be in British touring car. From going to all the racetracks with my dad and watching it on TV on the weekend.
Hotly pursued by LM Menu.
And for hours playing TOCA touring car on my PlayStation. And even today I still have the passion and love and want to be in British touring car. But now I have joined Unlimited Motorsport.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Nick Hamilton.
Hang on. Okay, so basically, I'm not a driver, I'm nothing like that. If you haven't seen me, this has probably gone on our channel, but I'm Stuart, I'm from Motor Addicts. And as you heard, I'm a massive fan of British touring car. And I thought, it's the off season. And when the off season happens, no one does anything British touring car. Well, I'm here to change that. I am going to show you throughout the winter and the off season what actually happens, because it doesn't just stop. Yes, the racing stops, but not everything else stops. And I've come over to Unlimited Motorsport to help them with a YouTube channel. Not only that, Unlimited Motorsport is a business itself, so they prepare race cars, they maintain race cars for people. They've got their own fiberglass department, which, see this Cupra here? Yeah, you could buy that body kit for your car and make it a road going, well, I don't know if it'd be road going. You may have to do it on a track car, but you could buy the body kit that they use on the Cupras. Not only that, they've got a wrapping department. They've got other cars like this Golf over here. They've got a Golf GTI, which is a Golf Cup car, isn't it? It is a Golf Cup car, so this is potentially going into racing next year where you could potentially drive it. All you've got to do is send your CV in and see what happens. I don't know how all the back end works, but that's why we're here, because we're going to tell you how the back end works, show you what we got up to. Not only that, what the cars, as you can see here, so what they are doing is they are doing an arrive and drive in these Cupras. The current British touring car, you can drive. Obviously, someone's in there with you just to make sure that you're not going to crash or make sure everything's all good, because they are expensive cars. But I don't know anyone that gets the opportunity to be able to drive a British touring car if you haven't got a national licence, international licence to be able to do so. Not only that, you have got Nick Hamilton taking people out for fast laps in his car. So they do opportunities like that. So we're going to follow them doing that as well. How about this? At the moment, this one has had the engine taken out. And underneath here is no engine. So you can actually see what the front of a British touring car looks like. There's nothing of it. Absolutely nothing. But this engine's going away. We're getting another Cupra back. That engine's coming out of there and going into this one, because this is the one that you guys will be able to drive. So that is great. So there is loads of content, tons and tons of content that could be made in the off season. Not only that, with these days, we are, and you will notice, we are going to get some friends onto the channel as well that may be popping over to give these cars a go. Not only that, maybe go out in some fast laps. Also, we'll be covering race days, behind the scenes and everything else. Obviously, you only get the chance to see what's happening on track on TV, but we're going to show you behind the scenes, who comes in, who comes out, all the drama behind the sport itself, like if there was an accident, how they turn these cars around as quick as possible, because it is insane how they've got a 2-hour window and 9 times out of 10, the car will come from an accident to back on the track to continue racing. Plus, not only that, we are going to offer giveaways. So there'll be things like, you got Nick's bumper down there. If that was damaged, maybe we'll give away Nick's bumper. You get some wall art, or we've got bits that are lingering around, we can give giveaways. Not only that, they are going to do their own merch store, and then you'll be able to buy stuff off there and other bits. So really, overall, over the winter, with the driver announcements, or if there is a driver announcement or whatever, anything that changes within the team, you'll be the first ones to know through the channel. So honestly, guys, go over to the Unlimited Motorsport page or YouTube channel and like, share and subscribe. But make sure you subscribe because we want to get the audience show an off season with a British touring car team. But there is going to be tons and tons of content that we'll be able to do. I'm glad to be part of the team, to be actually able to show you what really goes on behind the scenes of a race car team in British touring car. So please hit that like button. There's going to be loads more. Make sure you're following the Instagram page, the TikTok page, because we're going to be updating on that for your facts and everything else. I'm sure there's going to be tons because the team here, they're all characters. So what you actually get to see is a load of people that are proper grafters but know how to have fun as well. So here is until next time.